Hey, thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see in this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. The few cents I make when doing these videos on YouTube really helps pay for the equipment and the time that it takes to shoot these videos. So today we are removing the front wheel on a Ducati V4S. Easy enough. We're just going to remove the caliper bolts, remove the axle, and drop the wheel out. Right now we're working on the calipers. The caliper bolts come out. There is a spacer between the caliper and the fork leg. When you grab this caliper, give it a little twist. It'll help the caliper come off the rotor a little bit easier. It'll help it go on a little bit easier, and it'll allow that caliper to come off the rotor without hitting the wheel and scratching the paint. Again, you see me just give that caliper a little twist on the rotor, and then the caliper comes right off the bike. So we're going to loosen this nut. We're not going to take the nut all the way off. We're going to need that nut to push the axle through. But you want to loosen that nut before you loosen your pinch bolts. So now with our pinch bolts loose, we can put our V4S up on a race stand. I get a lot of questions of what race stands I use. Pretty much always use pit bull stands. So never just do the front wheel on a stand. Always make sure that the back wheel is supported on a stand before you do your front wheel. So now you can see I'm taking the nut off the right side, and if you put your foot underneath the tire, it'll take all the weight off of that axle and the axle will slide out. You won't need any special tools to remove that axle. And then when you take your spacers out, make sure that you take your spacers out and put the right side on the right side, the left side on the left side. Makes it a lot easier when you're putting the bike back together. You don't have to guess which side your spacers go on. But there's what it should look like with your spacers on the ground. And thanks for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button.